strategy number one. All right, contact. Right, I come out with all my guns, bro. So I can't play Fortnite, right? My kids, I get shot up in Fortnite because I'm coming out there with all my guns, bro. So the email is like this. The email is like this. As soon as they make contact with us, we got their email address, all right? So it ain't just one swing. This is 12 swings at one time for the rest of the year, all right? So it's 12 main emails that have to go out when you first make the contact. Emails that's going out. They got the first contact is, of course, coming from your booking system, all right? So this is technically the first email, but not really our first email. It's the booking system. The booking system is going to explain to them everything that, in order for you to secure your appointment, please give me 50%, okay? 50%. Now you have your 50%. I'm also going to send you, hey, for future details or car washes, click here. Friends and family deals, click here. Download our app, click here. See our work, click here. See our reviews, click here. Right, what I'm doing, I'm going full forward, face front, just like this. Right? Right? That's how you want to go, face forward, right?